Hello and welcome to Hideship. In this tutorial, we will explore how easy it is to sort any shipping rate in Shopify Checkout using Hideship. Sorting the right methods and incentivizing customers to purchase with a particular shipping methods that work best for your business is a significant step in upgrading your business. Let's dive into how simple and quick this process can be with Hideship. From the Hideship dashboard, click on Create Customization, located here on the top right. In the pop-up window, select Simple Customization. We are going to create a generic rule that will work with any checkout so that we can order the shipping rate as we wish. In the condition field, choose the condition that best fits your needs. For our example, let's sort based on the value of the cart. Select Cart Total, in this window greater than, and set the value to €0. In the Hide, Sort, or Rename Shipping Methods section, you can sort the shipping methods as you wish. To sort a shipping method, simply drag and drop the method where you want it to be displayed. Like we are doing now with free shipping, dragging it on the top and dropping there. Then we move pickup from the bottom to the second position. That's it. The sort is done. Now save, and the rule is already active as you can see here. Let's go to our store and see if it works. So add a product to the cart, any product with at least 0.01 of value. And if we go to the checkout, we can verify that the list of the shipping methods is exactly as we set in our rule. This is how easy it is to sort your shipping methods with a Hideship. Remember that you toggle the switch next to the shipping methods only if you want to hide that method, and if you want to rename, you just need to go on the Rename blue word, click on it, and insert the name you want. Simple like this. No toggle is needed to rename or sort. This is the power of Hideship, which simplifies your business and improves the quality and usage of your store. Don't wait any longer. Install Hideship and try out all its potential now. And remember, you have a 7-day free trial period with each plan you choose at no cost at all.